In January 1961, NASA's director of the Space Task Group, Robert Gilruth, told Gus Grissom that he would be the primary pilot for Mercury Redstone 4. John Glenn was the backup pilot for the mission. Redstone launch vehicle MRLV-8 arrived at Cape Canaveral on June 8, 1961. A mission review on July 15, 1961, pronounced Redstone MRLV-8 and Mercury spacecraft number 11 ready to go for the Mercury Redstone 4 mission. The Mercury 4 mission was planned as a repeat of MR-3. It was to reach an apogee of 116 miles, 187 kilometers. The planned range was 299 miles, 481 kilometers. Grissom would experience a maximum acceleration of 6.33 g, 62 meters per square second, and deceleration of 10.96 g, 107 meters per square second. The launch of Liberty Bell 7 was first planned for July 16. The cloud cover was too thick and the launch was postponed until July 18. On July 18, it was again postponed due to weather. Both times, the pilot had not yet boarded the spacecraft. On July 19, 1961, Grissom was on board when the flight was delayed again due to weather. At that point, it had just 10 minutes 30 seconds to go before launch. On the morning of July 21, 1961, Gus Grissom entered the Liberty Bell 7 at 8:58 Universal Time Coordinated and the 70 hatch bolts were put in place. At 45 minutes prior to the scheduled launch, a pad technician discovered that one of the hatch bolts was misaligned. During a 30-minute hold that was called, McDonnell and NASA Space Task Group engineers decided that the 69 remaining bolts should be sufficient to hold the hatch in place and blow it at the appropriate time. The misaligned bolt was not replaced. Liberty Bell 7 was launched at 12:20 and 36 seconds Universal Time Coordinated, July 21, 1961. The spaceflight lasted 15 minutes 30 seconds, reached an altitude of more than 102.8 nautical miles, 190.4 kilometers, and flew 262.5 nautical miles, 486.2 kilometers, downrange, landing in the Atlantic Ocean. The flight went as expected until just after splashdown, when the hatch cover, designed to release explosively in the event of an emergency, accidentally blew. Grissom was at risk of drowning, but was recovered safely via a U.S. Navy helicopter. The spacecraft sank into the Atlantic and was not recovered until 1999.